Before you begin, make sure you have read and understand the operator's manual, installation instructions, and all other safety instructions before setting up and using this equipment. Improper installation, adjustment, alteration, service, or maintenance can cause property damage, injury, or death. Any alterations to this equipment will void the warranty and may cause a dangerous condition. Installation of the PopClean Elite Series poppers should be performed by qualified service personnel, and the fire suppression system, if equipped, must be charged and activated by an ANSEL certified representative. Read and understand the instruction manual and all other safety instructions for the unit before using this equipment. Next, select your recipe by selecting mushroom popcorn, sweet flavoring, and select your popcorn load size. Then you will need to turn on the rest of the machine. Turn on the equipment in the following order: oil master, popcorn crisper, filter system, kettle heat. When you turn on the kettle heat, it will automatically turn on the popcorn agitator. Next, you need to prepare and measure your popcorn and glaze pop. When the light next to the load corn oil lights up, your kettle is ready. Load in your corn then press dispense oil. The light next to the add sweet flavoring will come on when it is time to load your glaze pop. Now add your glaze pop. If popcorn has already started to pop before light comes on, do not open the lid as this may be dangerous. Allow the popping cycle to finish and start again. This time add sweet flavoring after the oil is delivered. And when the dump kettle light illuminates, it is time to dump the kettle. If you are done cooking popcorn, press the kettle heat button to turn off the kettle. Otherwise, repeat the process when the load corn oil lights up. Take your popcorn scoop and gently move the popcorn around to separate out any unpopped kernels. Now you are ready to scoop and serve up delicious popcorn.